What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the best smartphones which you can get under 10,000 in this with respect to the media consumption, gaming and all the overall best smartphones under 10,000 rupees. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Phantom so you never miss an update from us when we do it. So let's get started. So starting off with the best, this is the best gaming smartphone which you can get under 10,000 rupees and it starts at rupees 9,000 and it's the Realme Narzo 30A. The phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor and it's backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, and it has a dual camera setup of 13 plus 2 megapixel and with a 8 megapixel of front camera. The phone has a 6.51 inch of Full HD Plus display and the base storage of 3 plus 32, but I would suggest to go for a 4 GB of RAM as a base storage if you want a much more smoother experience. Now if we switch on to the better camera experience for the smartphone under 10,000, then we have a Redmi 9 Power. The phone comes with a quad camera setup of 48 megapixel as its primary camera, and the base storage is also bumped up to 4 plus 64. The phone supports an 80-watt fast charging, and the phone also has a stereo speaker for a good media consumption. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the front, and it is also backed by a 6000 mAh battery. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 with a 6.53 inch of Full HD Plus IPS display. Now moving on to the next smartphone, it is the Micromax In1 and it's one of the best smartphones under 10,000 rupees which you can get right now, and it's the base storage of 4 plus 64 gigabytes of storage. The phone comes with a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel as its primary camera. It also has a massive battery of 5000 mAh and with a powerful processor of MediaTek Helio G80, which makes it a perfect fit for a media consumption, for the content watching and also for the gaming too. The phone also has a very different looking pattern of X pattern on its back, and it starts at rupees 10,000, and you can also find this phone link in the description below. For Micromax In1, the company has also promised for a 2 years of software update and 3 years of security patch update within this price range is one of the major promises which you can expect. The phone also has get an update with the Android 11 very soon, and it's about to get Android 11, and the phone also has an EIS enabled, so you can definitely get a better shots at the pictures. Now next phone is the Motorola G10 Power. The phone has a base storage of 4 plus 64 gigabytes and it also packs a 6000 milliamp battery with a quad camera setup of 48 megapixels to the back. The phone has a 6.51 inch of Full HD Plus display, and it also packs a lower tier Snapdragon processor, which is a Snapdragon 460 processor, which is definitely among par the lowest one in the pack. It also has a stock Android experience and a ThinkShield security, which you may find in any other smartphone in this price range. Also, next let's talk about the last but not the least smartphone in our list, and it's the Poco M3. The phone starts at rupees 11,000 rupees for a 6 plus 64 gigabytes of variant, whereas if we talk about, the phone has a faster storage of UFS 2.1 or the 2.2 storage depending upon your model, and it also has LPDDR4X 6 gigabytes of RAM. It packs a 6.53 inch of Full HD Plus display, and the phone also doesn't have any kinds of ad built into the UI. It has a triple camera setup of 48 megapixel as its primary, and it's definitely one of the different looking phone in the pack. The battery is also a 6000 mAh battery with a stereo speaker supported onto the phone, which means that your earpiece will also act as a speaker to boost up your sound. Now this phone is also has a Snapdragon 662 processor, which is not bad when compared to the Motorola G10 Power. Now these were my top 5 picks amongst the 10,000 budget phones which you can buy right now, and if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom. You can also find the links of this phone under the description, and also if you are looking for a smartwatch or any other TWS, you can also find their links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.